Hi everyone. SEO is very important for every website, and if your site currently has posts whose titles are too long, it would negatively impact your positioning on Google. To solve this issue manually, you would have to check posts separately, which would take an awful lot of time. That's why in this tutorial we are going to show you a quicker alternative to do it, using the Posts, Pages and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin for WooCommerce, a powerful tool that you can download from the link in the description of this video. Once installed, go to the WP Sheet Editor tab and select Edit Post. A spreadsheet containing all the posts in your store will open. Move to the Search tool. You can use the available fields to filter your posts according to your needs, adding search terms like a keyword from the title, or a specific category. Activate the Advanced Filters checkbox. The new fields that you are seeing displayed will allow us to filter our post based on a more specific search criteria. As key field, enter title. As operator, select this option. And in this box input the amount of characters that would make your title too long. You can work with any amount that better works for you. For me, it will be 20 characters. Now scroll down and hit Run Search. As you see, the plugin has found the items matching the specifications. We can now proceed to edit the articles. Once you are done editing, don't forget to click Save. Super simple and effortlessly. Download WP Sheet Editor from the link in the description. If you need some chat support, you can always visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new tutorials.